G'day everyone, welcome back to Pete's Investing. Today is January 24, 2023. This is the spot silver price update. As you can see here on the daily chart, we did draw a resistance support line up, or resistance line up here, and the price has been bouncing up there most of December and most of January so far. It's been sort of hovering around there, undecided. Although if you look at the CCI 1500, it did show a break to the upside, which it has done so since then, since early December. And the price has fluctuated sideways, but the CCI has actually broken sideways as well and potentially starting to decline. The Stochastic has broken up from the oversold to the upside, but again it's a pretty weak move up. On the 4-hour chart you can see there the Stochastic is in the overbought territory and is starting to potentially turn down. Likewise the CCI 1500 is moving average is still in an upswing, but the CCI itself has broken down and now kissing the moving average, so potentially it may actually break through there. On the hourly chart you can see there we drew a channel going back to start of or mid-October, and a declining channel on the CCI 1500, which is always a divergence we need to consider carefully. So the divergence is still there. The CCI is still declining on the 1-hour chart, and that's also broken it to the downside out of this channel on the 1-hour chart. So we may see further declines, but in the short term we may see a retracement to the upside, coming back down to this probably around the 2400 level possibly. And if we drew a little trend line on that, just to put a bit more clarity on it, we may see it come up and bounce off this potential declining trend line in the coming hours or even days. So first of all we need to see it break above that, see the CCI on the hourly break to the upside more convincingly before going long, and likewise we want to see this break to the upside, but especially we want to see it break above this key resistance area to go more positively long. But at the moment there are some signs that it may have reached a peak up here, and we may see it decline further to the downside more convincingly before taking any positions long. So again, carefully trade this long or short using the average down approach. Some links are in the description below, and also stay tuned to the end of this video to reference some of the playlist videos suggested. During the weekly market updates, I mention the strategies that I use and make recommendations on to track the potential direction of the trends when applying your strategy. Well, to pick a strategy you can work with, go to my homepage, click on the playlists, then click on the strategy playlist, and then browse through and choose a strategy that works for you. And that way you can trade profitably and do it without too much risk, as long as you follow the strategy itself and the market direction. Here are some of my investing rules: buy proven blue chip stocks, buy stocks which pay dividends, don't short positions, go long only. And the reason for that is you want to receive those dividends when they're paid, and don't trade on news. Prices are already factored in the share price. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to click the subscribe and the like button, and click the notification bell to get all updates. Market updates will be posted on Mondays and Thursdays each week. If you want to support the channel further, then subscribe to the Patreon page. The link is in the description below. Happy investing, and speak to you in the next video.